Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, I'm super excited. I mean, I'm always excited, but I'm like extra excited today because we are doing a human hair crochet install. What? Let's get into it. Hey y'all, so today's hair was sent over from QVR Hair. They sent me over 5 of their human hair crochet bundles. I got it in the kinky curly texture, natural color. I got the 20-inch length, and look at this up close and personal. These are handmade, and I feel like one piece by itself has a very nice density. So let's get into the video. Hey y'all, it's me and my period pimple. I wanted to quickly get into my braid pattern and then show you the hair and talk for a second because I have such high hopes for this. Like, I'm really excited to try this out. Like, do you know what a game changer this would be? So that's the first thing. Also about the hair. So this is one that I co-washed and one that I didn't. Like I already said, they sent me 5 bundles. This is one co-washed and this is one not. Now for my braid pattern, I want to be able to do like middle part, side part, you know? So I have like the 4 braids at the top to be able to do a middle part, to be able to do a side part, and a side part on this side. Because I honestly don't remember which side is like my good side for a side part, you know? Then I like to do a cornrow going down the side on each side so it's not like gaps like that. So it just looks like hair if the wind blows, right? Same thing with the back. I have like just a braid going across the back in case, you know, you want to pull it up into a ponytail. I don't know what I might want to do with this hair. Like, you know, I might start feeling like I want to catfish. I don't know. So I just want the possibilities to be endless because I also do plan to keep this in for a while. Without further ado, let's just get into the install. I'm literally just going to crochet the hair in like normal, except this is human hair and it has threads. So innovative. I don't know who came up with this, but whoever did, this is innovative. Okay, y'all, so I already went over my braid pattern, and this is a simple crochet install, right? It's not really much to it. You crochet the hair in, and that's really it. For this, though, I found that if you just crochet this in and only put it through one time, it's nearly impossible to get out. So you have to double loop it. Like you see I'm about to do here, I make sure to pull it through twice because that creates kind of like a thicker knot so you can make sure you can get the hair out. Because obviously we want this to be reusable. We want to be able to take it out, use it again, so on and so forth. So I started with the back, just literally crocheting the hair in, up the braids, making sure that it was nice and tight. The thing though, I feel like I started off very heavy in the back, like I was putting a lot of hair in the back. And it's because I thought I had so much hair. I'm like 5 packs, and I did. I'm like 5 packs. Oh my gosh, this is so much hair. I'm not gonna need all this hair. So I started putting a lot in the back. I started off very thick and very heavy. Obviously, I ended up having just enough hair, but I feel like if I would have not gone so hard in the back, I could have saved probably like a whole pack. So I did end up using all 5 packs. I probably had like 5 pieces left over, but for the most part, I used all 5 packs. Also, I don't want to forget, this took me 1 hour and 30 minutes, which I feel like is completely fine. I do plan to keep this in for a while, so that's okay with me. But I also feel like it took that long because I have multiple parts, like in terms of in the front, that I want to kind of be able to utilize. So yeah, I feel like the back is looking good so far. Everything's looking good. Now let's move to the front. I tried 2 different methods, like crocheting downward and then crocheting upward. And I feel like low-key, they kind of looked the same. So it really just was dependent on like what my arm was most comfortable doing. And for the front, obviously, when I'm crocheting it in, I'm pulling one side through. Obviously, I'm double looping it, but on the second loop, I'm only pulling one piece through. If you wanted to, you could also like double crochet the hair in, like as if you was doing a V-part crochet, no leave out kind of moment.
after you've already crocheted the hair onto the braid, you could crochet a piece of hair through like the root of the braid if you wanted to just be a little extra. So then once I crochet all the hair in, I feel like this looked so cute. It was obviously extra full because I used all 5 packs, which is like, ooh, you know, I normally don't like my hair like super thick, but anyways, it looks so cute as is. But I wanted to go in and detangle it. I could have waited like another day and just let it rock out how it was because it looked so pretty, but I'm just spraying the hair down using the Denman brush to kind of like get the hair to like curl up even more, especially at the end. So I just did this to the whole head, and then obviously it was soaking wet, so I went in with the dryer to try to like dry it some, but I don't have a diffuser and I didn't want to mess the hair up too much. But this hair is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful.
In an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right?
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Now, mind you, the hair is not 100% dry, so I honestly did not separate and poof it up as much as I would like because I do want to maintain some of the curl, and just naturally as the week progresses it'll kind of poof up on its own anyway. But yeah, so the hair is like 90% dry. It's not all the way dry. And I just really didn't have time to be messing around with the dryer no more because like I don't have a diffuser. Also too, I didn't even layer anything, trim anything, like cut any layers or anything, because like I said, I am going to be wearing this whether it's to the side, to the middle, so I didn't want to cut anything yet, especially while it's still wet and I haven't gotten a chance to like really poof it up and then like go in and trim like a little bit of layers in the front just so it looks more like framing for the face. But yeah, I think it came out super cute. So let me tell you, this hair quality is really good. Low-key, I felt like this was my hair, like going through the process of like wetting it and then like redefining it. Well, I didn't really redefine it because I didn't use any product, but you know what I'm saying, like running the brush through it and stuff, and just knowing that like it wasn't going nowhere because it was crocheted in. Like when I'm used to doing clip-ins, like, so when brushing clip-ins or whatever the case may be, like you have to be careful because the clip-ins will clip out, okay? But like with this, it just was like, I know I could brush literally up to about a ½ inch to the root and be good. I like that security. I do plan on keeping this in for a little bit, maybe like 2 weeks or so. We'll see like how she holds up. But yes, I really love this. I think it is so cute, and it's so, I don't be having my ear to the streets, so I don't know if this is old as hell and I'm just now like discovering it, but like this is genius to me. Like I love this. I think this is really pretty, and the fact that you could reuse this is even more genius. Like what? Now what I will say though is, when getting kinky curly, I thought it would be kinky curly. Like this is definitely not giving kinky curly. It's curly, but it's not kinky curly, like, you know, because there's levels to curly. You got curly, you got afro kink, I mean, you got curly, you got kinky curly, you got afro kinky curly, you know what I'm saying? And this is just curly. It's not kinky curly, it's not afro kinky curly. I was thinking it was going to be kinky curly, which has a lot more kink to it, you know? But nonetheless, this is a beautiful curl pattern. I still like it. It's still like, you, if you know me, you know I love curly hair. So that's curly, kinky curly, afro kinky curly. I love hair with some texture. That's deep wave too, but like I just like hair with some texture. I don't even remember the last time I had literal bone straight hair. Please. Okay, y'all, so I think I've talked enough. Okay, I've said enough about the hair. It's absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's reusable. It's definitely worth the investment if you do decide to invest in it. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Once again, thanks so much to QVR Hair for sending me over this hair and collaborating with your girl on today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in the hair or the company, I will have all of the links to the hair and company in the description box for you to check it out. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.